I come back. Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm back. Sana, ever since I said I'm coming back, the devil has been fighting me, but you know what? I've been fighting back. I'm back. Like nothing is gonna stop me, Nothing is gonna stop me. The devil is fighting and I'm fighting back. I'm not gonna dwell on what happened. Today it is what's the date? It's the 16th of July. It's the 16th of July. And izolo I had every intention to vlog, but Asana izinto took another turn. But anyways, I'm here today. And yesterday I was supposed to shoot, well I did shoot for a brand that I'm working with on TikTok. I'm working with Firmu. And today my video went live, so if you see that video, give me some love, okay? In fact, follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. Firmu sent me these glasses. These are anti-reflective glasses or blue light glasses. I love them so much, Sana. I'm gonna try them on for you guys. I love them. 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 What do you guys think?
Yho, ndithabe izinto izibhekisi zabo zezantoni zezamehlo.
Buti ezamakhwapha.
Love them so much. So I shot a video for these glasses yesterday. Guys, I was supposed to shoot using my camera, but sana camera and bonsa flames izolo, and I had to like shoot on my phone. So I shot the TikTok on my phone and I posted it today, and I'm so proud of myself. I feel very, very productive. So yeah, it's not a paid partnership, it's a trade exchange. So they gave me these pair of glasses, but I do get commission on the purchases, so I get a certain percentage if someone purchases. So yeah, I'm working with them on TikTok. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to work with these prescription brands, and I've always wanted blue light glasses because I take a lot and they were very, very dodge. I don't think they had the blue light thingy, but these ones I can immediately tell when I put them on that is a blue light protection. So I'm so excited about that. But anyways, just to catch you guys up, yesterday I went to town. I was looking for, because I was shooting this video, I wanted like a formal top or something that said, something that's formal. So I went to the shops, went to gym clothing in town. I didn't find anything, literally wasted my time. But on my way back I was like, let me stop by in Woodstock, guys, and I discovered this gem of a shop. I found a blazer from the Fix for like 120 at that shop, and I found a David Jones bag. I don't know if you guys follow me on TikTok, but I'm gonna put the video that I shot for Firmu here so that you can see the blazer. But this is the blazer. See, it's from the Fix. It's so cute. It's like cropped. 120 for a blazer. I said, wait a minute. I said, wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. Guys, La Shopo has things from the Fix, Boohoo, Misguided, Zara, Woolworths, you name it, they have it. You name it, they have it. They have stuff from, and yes, everywhere too. They have stuff from everywhere, and I got this gorgeous David Jones bag. This is what the bag looks like. This feels like a good quality. It feels amazing. I love the color. I have a coat that is this color. I cannot wait to rock this bag. I've been abusing my Guess bag, and honestly I think God said, Danam, it's time to give that bag a rest because wow, you've been doing the most. So this is the bag, guys. I'm obsessed. The quality, Sana, it is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Neighbor, gorgeous. gorgeous, gorgeous. It's like a bucket, like a bucket bag. Is it called a bucket bag? Yo, and this bag, guys, you're gonna be so shocked. This bag was, I think it was 250. I'm not sure if it was 150 or 250, but somewhere there. And it's a David Jones bag. Are you serious? Are you serious? My camera didn't have space. I told you the devil is fighting me. But yeah, I was so excited to discover that shop, guys. I think I'm gonna be in my, what you call it, I think there's a rana for la shop. Like, I want to gatekeep that shop, in as much as I can't keep anything to myself. Like, I'm always just plugging, but like, I low-key, high-key want to gatekeep that shop, because there's a rana, and that is going to be my shop. They have Zara stuff, guys. They have Zara stuff. They have, wow. But anyways, I wanted to come on here and say hi and tell you guys what I've been up to. So yeah, I will catch you guys, I don't know when, but next time my life gets a little bit interesting. My life is definitely not that exciting, but that is it for now. Very excited to be working with Femu. The glasses, if you want a prescription, they have that option as well. Those glasses, guys, are super affordable. Like, there is no need in 2024 to be going to Specsavers, to be quite honest. So yeah, they're super affordable. I have a 50% discount code, so if you're interested in purchasing those glasses, I will put the code in my description box, as well as the link, so you can shop. And yeah, that's that on that. And also, if you know Rana, speak to me, speak to me, call me if you want to run, but anyways, yeah, that is that. I don't want to babble on too long. Welcome back to the vlog. We are back vlogging once again. I'll catch you guys next time. And yeah.
I still maintain.
Maybe I should mix it. Mixing it did absolutely nothing. The cream of ice cream. Are you counting? And then if you forgot something else as well, like to make it sweet.
Would you agree with me that cream is the best?
It is, but sometimes I like to caramel, vanilla cream frappuccino. Ne? Nasty. And you got something is sweet, man. Sweet. We Nikki personality. I know it. No, I can complain. I paid too much money for this trip. So, I don't know quit in J. We need personality because walking out and suddenly be saying
This is too good.
wrong with I wanna go try. I said I'm gonna challenge myself. When something doesn't meet my standards, I could be the one at fault here. I acknowledge it because I'm the one who made this order. But like, it doesn't hurt to ask. Do you guys wake up looking like this, or it's just me? I just want to catch you guys up. Yesterday we went to Canal Walk because Ita decided to stop working, so we took it back to the sender, back to game, and they were telling us stories that they're gonna take it in for repairs, kwacha kwacima kwavuta kwatin, which is so annoying because right now we don't have a heater and it's freezing in Cape Town. So the whole purpose of getting out yesterday was to take the heater back. Today is Sunday, the 21st of July, and hopefully this vlog can go up. Keyword hopefully. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Just in case I don't vlog any further than this, let me just close it out. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys very, very soon in my next one, because I'm back on YouTube officially. I told you guys I'm back, and I meant it. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye.